Hi everyone, my name is Mohit Nair. I am a freelance 3D artist who quit his 3D career to do indie hacking. So yeah, that's my story in one sentence. So today is day one of building my Chrome extension in public. I have been building it in stealth so far, but today I decided it might be the right time to actually start documenting my journey and sharing it with you guys. So hooray! This is actually like the 40th take I've done for the same video because I kept messing it up. So yeah, so the extension I'm making, it's for ChatGPT, and it's in its MVP stage right now, and it's gonna have three features for its MVP. I've completed developing feature one, but I decided to take a step back and actually work on the UI, and that's what I'm doing right now. And and also I'm not a programmer, I'm not a coder or anything. I learned programming. I learned Is it programming or coding? But either way, I learned how to code this year. I purchased Code Fast from Mark Lu, and I did 60% of the course, and I decided to pause it in between because I felt like learning is fun, but I feel like I needed to apply what I'm learning. So that's what I'm doing right now. I did make some random extensions early before, but then as fun as it is to make random projects, I thought it made more sense to actually build a product that actually solves a problem. So yeah, that's why I'm making this extension. That's why I'm doing this video. I've actually documented my whole journey of learning doing code fast in my YouTube channel and on Twitter. So if you're curious about that, go ahead check that out. As for the extension, yeah, so I'm making the UI. I made a mistake of getting too excited about the idea, and instead of designing the UI first, I immediately jumped into developing the core functionality of the extension. That's where I messed it up. I shouldn't have done that. Instead, I should have designed the UI first and then proceeded to develop the functionality part of the code of the extension. But so I have to backtrack a little bit, but that's okay. You do and learn, right? So and then the other mistake I made with the UI was I already have the redesigned UI, but I'm making it again from scratch. So the mistake I made was I designed the Chrome extension UI on with V0, and while V0 is awesome, I forgot that V0 is designed for web apps and I guess mobile apps too. So it's not exactly made for Chrome extensions. So the problem was there was a lot of debugging that I had to do to actually inject the V0 code into my Chrome extensions code. And when doing that, the problem was it was a lot. It was a hassle, and I felt like the actual architecture of the code I got from V0, it wasn't exactly compatible with my extensions code. And I tried to cross check that with Claude, and Claude also said that's what's happening here. Even though I did work around it, it's that was the reason that I had to debug a lot. And once I did all that, once I actually loaded the new UI into my extension, and when I saw it on ChatGPT, I didn't like the UI. I don't know why. I liked it in V0, but I didn't like it as a final product, even though it looked exactly just like how I saw it in V0. So I decided, no what, scratch all that. I'm going to redesign the whole UI. So I'm doing that right now. I'm designing it in Figma from scratch, manually like the olden days. And then I'm going to put that UI into Claude and get the code instead of V0. Because the new UI which I just designed in Figma, it's much better than what I have right now. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, that's about it. I guess I'll see you guys in day two. My camera is about to die in any second now. So yeah, see ya.